The Pope-Leighey house was designed in 1939 by Frank Lloyd Wright for Lauren Pope. Construction of the house began in the summer of 1940. The house was ready for occupancy by the winter of 1941, and the Popes lived there until 1946, when the property was sold to Mr. and Mrs. Robert A. Leighey. The Pope-Leighey house was one of Wright's Usonian houses, a vision of affordable living for families with moderate income. Usonian homes were typically small, single-story dwellings without a garage or much storage. Like the Pope-Leighey house, most Usonian homes are L-shaped and constructed with native materials, flat roofs, and large cantilevered overhangs for passive solar heating and natural cooling. Constructed with a strong visual connection between the interior and exterior space, the Pope-Leighey house includes natural lighting with windows above eye level and radiant floor heating. In 1963, the Commonwealth of Virginia Department of Highways notified Mrs. Leighey of its plans to use the property in the construction of an interstate highway. It was decided that the house would have to be moved in order to be preserved. And through the efforts of the Department of the Interior, the National Trust for Historic Preservation, and many other interested organizations and individuals, means for preserving the structure were secured. In July of 1964, Mrs. Leighey signed a contract with the National Trust, in which the Trust agreed to provide a site for the house, reconstruct it on the site, maintain it after reconstruction as a house museum, and permit Mrs. Leighey the use of the house during her lifetime. By June 1965, the reconstruction of the house on its new site at Woodlawn Plantation was completed. The Institute of Architects has recognized Wright as the greatest American architect of all time. The Pope-Leighey house and all of Wright's 536 other innovations pioneered the organic architecture industry, bridging humanity and nature. We hope you will take this opportunity to celebrate the 50th anniversary of the National Historic Preservation Act with Fairfax County. Be sure to visit the county's website for more information.